to install and maintain 3monkeez clay and plaster arrestor. 3monkeez has a number of off-the-shelf and custom-made plaster arrestor options for your project. Another great way to help you comply with your council drainage regulations. Start by placing your clay or plaster arrestor in position. If it is under a bench, make sure you allow plenty of space around for easy access for maintenance. 3monkeez recommends fitting a valve to the inlet side of your clay or plaster arrestor. Simply connect your inlets and your outlets and test for any leaks. Maintaining your 3monkeez clay or plaster arrestor. It's important that you clean out and maintain your clay or plaster arrestor on a regular basis. Disconnect the outlet of your clay or plaster arrestor, and if you've installed a valve, turn it off. Remove the lid and any internal lids and baskets from your clay and plaster arrestor. If you can't have access, you'll need to remove it from under your bench. Run the baskets or strainers under cold water, removing any debris, ensuring that that debris is disposed of appropriately. Scrape out the debris from inside your clay arrestor and rinse thoroughly inside. Replace the basket, strainers and any internal lids, fix the top lid on using the brackets and place back in position. Connect up to your approved plumbing and test for any leaks. We trust this installation video has answered all your questions. If you do have any more questions, contact our Wise Advice Centre or our customer care team. 3monkeez gives you the tools to make your job easier.